In this video, we are going to talk about the importance of technical SEO. So what are the technicalities behind SEO and how you can fix those for your website? We will cover all that in this video. Hi, my name is Ankit and welcome to Magazine 3 YouTube channel where we talk about everything related to WordPress. And if you want to learn more about that, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. So when we do SEO, we know that number one thing we need to focus is content because content is king. But there are various technical aspects that you need to cover for your SEO so that you can get the best out of your SEO strategies. So let's talk about some of these technicalities that you need to keep in mind while doing SEO for your website. And number one is the basic one, that is to create a sitemap. Now we know that whenever we create some pages, blog posts on our website, then search engines read them and then accordingly list them in search engine results. But in order to read your website, search engines need to invest some kind of time or resources to read all the pages for your website, and they don't have all the time in this world and resources just for your website. So in order to make their job easy, it's good that you have a XML sitemap for search engines. Along with that, if you can have a HTML sitemap which will be visible for your visitors. So both of these sitemaps with individual importance can help your visitors to have a better experience, and along with that, it will also help search engines to read your website in a better way. Point number two is focus on readability. Now we know that when we do SEO, we need to focus on the relevancy of the content based on the search intent. But no matter if you have written the number one relevant content for the focus keyword, if someone is not able to read that on your website, it's a waste of time. So make sure you focus on the readability of your content as much as you focus on the content relevancy. So whenever someone visits your website, they are not just able to find that the content is relevant, what they are looking for. Also, to reach that stage, they should be able to read and go through your content in a much easy way. And that brings us to the point number three, that is making relevant subheadings. So when we are doing the content writing part to make a relevant content based on our focus keyword, then to make it more readable or to target various long tail keywords of your main focus keyword, it's better we break the content into various subheadings. And if we talk in technicalities, most of these subheadings will be under H2 tag or maybe H3 tag as well. So when you break your content in various subheadings, it not just provide a break to the monotonous wall of words, you can also create a better readability and a better user experience for your visitors, which is indirectly going to help you for getting better ranks in search engine. And we have the point number four, which is directly related to that. Once you do the writing of your content and just before publishing, make sure you put some extra effort. If you can create some infographics around it, or maybe you can narrate a video about it and then add that on the content page. So this is going to give a real good boost for your time on page. And we know that how important it is to keep the visitors on our website. So how we can do that? By adding some rich graphics, statistics, videos, or any relevant information that can give value to the visitor. Point number five is using SEO's tools. Now, we have already covered various videos about Yoast and Rank Math on this channel, and there you will find how you can use these tools to optimize your on-page SEO. But when you are using these SEO tools, make sure you do not compromise your content readability or the relevancy of your content, because you are not writing content for these search engine tools. You are writing content for the actual search engine. So no matter you get the red, green or orange for your SEO score using these tools, make sure you always focus on the relevancy of the content and the good quality of content. As we have seen in our previous videos, that even if you do not write content around your main focus keyword to give it an exact match, your content can still rank on the top of Google search engine results. Point number six, length of your URLs. Now, if you are writing a blog post which is something like a tutorial for learning WordPress, then you don't have to write a complete title in your URL like how to learn WordPress step by step. So it's not a good practice to keep long URLs. The shorter it is, better it's for your SEO. So make sure you go ahead and try to shorten your URLs as much as possible. Just focus on the few keywords and make it relevant. And last but the most important is the website speed. Now, website speed plays a very important role for ranking your website, and above all, it plays a very important role for a better user experience. And with the latest updates of Core Web Vitals, we know that your website speed and the user experience plays a very important role for optimizing your Core Web Vitals scores. So if you work on the better speed, then it's the first step to provide a good quality user experience to your visitors. So make sure you have a good quality server, a good quality WordPress theme, and whatever way possible, make sure you have a page which loads in no time. So these are some of the technical factors of SEO that, apart from writing relevant and good quality content, you should focus on. And as mentioned before, content is the most important part, but these are the very important and supportive factors that can help you boost the SEO rankings in search engine results. And with that, we hope it helps in your SEO. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help regarding your website, you can connect with us using the link given in the video description below. So that's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.